there was an earthquake in coastal Japan, resulted in tsunami. The tsunami damaged the Fukushima nuclear power plant, which is in the coastal area of the Japan. When this incident happened in 2011, all over the world the flash news has come in the news channels. In India, it has come. We are very much worried because even though it is happening over Japan, once it enters the atmosphere, it starts spreading all over the world. As far as the aerial distance is concerned, Japan is not far from the rest of the world. Now I will just show you that how this radiation is coming there. I will just show you all the. Can you able to see the Japan there? Yeah. In the coastal Japan, what the red color you are seeing is the nuclear radiation leaking out of the nuclear power plant, which is damaged by the tsunami. The reason for the tsunami is the earthquake. Okay. And this seems to happen 25 to 30 days. A nuclear emergency was declared in Japan. Every day, nearly some 300 to 400 tons of nuclear waste have been added to ocean. A lot of creatures died in the ocean. And news channels used to show these creatures, floating in the water there, sea water there. And in fact, scientists have calculated what is the total radiation that has entered into the atmosphere during this period is 30 to 40 times more than Hiroshima and Nagasaki nuclear bomb blast in 1945. Okay, that much radiation simply entered into the atmosphere. And all of you able to see here that particle which is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. There was a low pressure area, heavy rain. The particle moves in the clockwise direction. There was a high pressure area. It starts spreading. In fact, I have checked in USA atmosphere after 24 hours of this event. What is the radiation level in the USA atmosphere? It was 1,000 times less than what we see here. That means at the time of the radiation level has come from as the distance progresses. All of you able to see the graph then given here. The red color is more radioactive. The purple is the least. Okay, so you can see that it is near the Japan. The red color is more there. That means the radiation is very near to the where this incident is leaking out of there. Okay, at the time of the radiation level has come down. Before concluding, I will come to the last interesting point. All of you know it's very difficult to move or vehicle the road traffic nowadays due to the heavy traffic. Suppose you are traveling in an aeroplane, how will be the air traffic? Whether the air traffic will be free? Wherever you want, your aeroplane can move in the airspace there. Look here. Here each fixed thing moving here is one aeroplane. Each one is one individual aeroplane here. Just to USA, I am talking about just to USA airspace, there will be only 87,000 flights within 24 hours. Within 24 just to USA airspace, there will be 87,000 flights. You can imagine all over the world how many flights will be there in 24 hours. How much each one will contribute in pollution in the atmosphere. And one interesting thing here, the number of flights will suddenly decrease in the midnight, 24 hours, 12 o'clock midnight to around 7 o'clock in the morning. Because most of the domestic flights won't fly in the midnight. Most of the domestic means run between the same city of the country. It won't run in the midnight. It will be grounded in the midnight. That means the majority of the flights are domestic flights. Now I will show you the Europe at 12 noon. This is the Europe traffic at 12 noon. Okay, can you see how crowded there? I will just take you to the USA in the early morning around 8 o'clock. This is the USA traffic at 12 o'clock, near 11 o'clock or 10:30, 11 o'clock. What about India at midnight, 12 o'clock, when you are in a deep sleep? How many flights will be over India? That also I will just try to show you. Can you see this 24 hours just in the India at 12 o'clock? Okay. Even though at midnight, 12 o'clock, you can see some flights will go over. The international flights at very high altitude. You cannot see the sound also. You cannot hear the sound also. Okay. Now, all of you able to see this eastern side. All these air will become active when the domestic flights also go. The sunrise is there the eastern side. And now you can see Europe at the midnight. Only few flights are there at midnight at Europe now. Europe area. You can see this France and other areas there. Now it's France that's going to be morning there because the eastern side there's a sunrise. Carefully observe this Europe area now. There is a sudden increase in the early morning because all these domestic flights will go into air. Okay. So now carefully observe there. Yeah, this is around 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Each visual, what I have shown here, is known as a data set. So these data sets are developed by the NOAA, NASA, and there are so many universities working on this. Every 15 days or weekly, they are updating their data sets. I just taken some 10 data sets related to atmosphere. I made a show on atmosphere with some storyline. I can take another 10 more data sets on any subject because these data sets are available in different subjects. You can have the shows on different subjects. You can have a solar system, Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Saturn that can be created here. And you can have a show on ocean literature. We have a ocean show on Wonderland. A wide of different part of the world can be shown with the satellite data. And you can have the show on different subject because the data sets are available in different subjects. Okay, so this will be a very good tool for students, teachers, scientists, research scholars, even for a common person want to know more about science. This science on a sphere will be a very good tool. Even a real-time data can be analyzed here, and a science fictional movie also can be played on this. And this will be this. In fact, we have inaugurated at this museum in 2015 when our Vishweshwara Museum celebrated its Golden Jubilee. That time, this was the only one in whole Asia. Okay. So now, all over the world, they have installed there. In India, more than 26, 27 science museum centers we are having. And we have installed these facilities in some big museums all across the country. Okay. I hope all of you enjoy this show. Thank you all for watching this. Thank you.